Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Our day 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Tignan nyo guys.
and another one. Thank you, video!
Pinupuntahan sa kuma. Wala, pwede ko.
Ikaw lang ang meron yan.
Yabe!
Bye! See ya at our next trip later.
Day 3.
Day 3.
Today is my birthday. And maluwag yung itinerary namin. Wala kami. Magka-coffee shop lang kami. Magka-coffee shop lang kami. And pupunta sa church and then magdi-dinner. So, yeah. Mag-shopping. Iinit.
Ayaw ka?
They say Vietnamese coffee is the best, so since we arrived here in Vietnam, we always make sure to try different coffee shops.
Not green rice.
Before we actually planned to go to Kong Cafe, we decided to go to Tan Dinh Church, but it was closed, so we just prayed outside and then head here. You know what's funny? Every year on my birthday, it rains. Like clockwork. And hindi ko na actually maalala kung kailan yung last time na nag-birthday ako na sunny the whole day. Like in this cliff of Tan Dinh Church. After a few minutes, it rained. It always rains. But this time, I woke up in another country. New streets, new flavors, new memories, with the love of my life, who somehow managed to surprise me kahit malayo kami sa bahay and malayo kami sa Pilipinas. And then we went to Koi Cafe to have our lunch.
So we're here at Oasis Cafe. Tingnan niyo yung mga fish. Tataba. Tapos pwede ka din dun sa mga pods. So medyo mahirap pumesto dyan. Pabilisan lang. And si ano to? Goldie. Ito si Whitey. Oh, cute! Cute!
Lapit ka, kakainin ka nila.
Meron pang second floor.
Lapis na eh.
Tapos meron pang mga rooms dito. Pwesto na aesthetic din. So, mag-scan ka ng code para makita mo yung menu. Tapos mura lang siya, parang nasa 120 to 150 pesos each meal, main course na yun. Kasi yun, 69. Magkano yung 69 sa peso?
Around 150.
Mga around 150 to, pag 69. Kasi yun, medyo hindi naman siya sobrang kamahal. Kasi yun yung mga samples.
Anong lasa na iyong food?
Sinigang na pho.
BGI pala.
Sarap na kayo.
I'm 18. Sabi ko. Keep the change. Oh yeah, keep the change. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Who is this gentleman? To check. Oh, Zara, Uniqlo, and then Manila bag. Ooh. Sa likod tayo. Hindi mo natin na-explore yun.
Nakakain na to. Zimbabwean dollar dito. Tapos pinapalitan. Ganito kakapal. Ay, Venezuelan peso ata yun. Sobrang kakapal. Ganito kakapal. Tapos isang burger lang.
Mga boutiques na pwede nyo i-check for shopping. As you can see, hindi siya halata na para siyang cafe apartments pero more on clothing apartments siya. So tara, let's go. Andito na tayo sa cafe apartments again. Tada! Nandun kami kahapon sa... Saan tayo dyan?
Sa
The Letter?
7th floor. Oh, yan, The
Doon kami
Letter.
sa The Letter. ngayon sa the new playground. Mag-check kami ng mga damit. And ayun na siya. Katabi lang siya ng Vincom Center.
Hi!
Valencia. Bumalik kami sa hotel, nagbihis, and doon na din kami nag-freshen up. Kasi malapit lang naman. Tsaka kanina, marami kami dala, like yung mga tripod, tapos yung heels, kasi nga nag-picture kami kanina, pero di naman nagamit. So, yun. So, itong block na to, yung shopping area. Ayan, the new playground, De Roser, Ruby's, Valenciani, Live. Yan, magkakatabi sila. Katabi siya ng Vincom Center. Yan. Tara! Dito naman si Spoiled. Magkakatabi lang talaga siya. Weeds of Wisdom, Insane, Glimpse of Wind. Ayan. Tapos meron pang signs. Ito yung Cherry Ave, I think. Ang cute din dito sa Goat Digger. Look at this. Ayan yung mga skirt nila. Nasa 440,000. Ayan, ito yung mga dress. Parang mas magaganda tong dress dito. Yung dress nila nasa yan, around range ng 440,000 bin. Dress. Cute po nito. 290. More on mga skirt sila dito. Sa loob ng the new playground, magkakasama-sama yung mga maliliit na specialty shops, no? Yan, 195K. Ganito yung range niya. Starting ng banda. 190 or 400. parties. And we are here in ano to? Seoul Bentran.
Yeah, this is Seoul Restaurant and Bar. One of the
Ano ang orderin natin?
restaurants here in Saigon. What
Yeah,
is your
water. Or what? Ano? Orderan mo
What do
ako.
you think?
Yung juice. ng
Juice,
mga-
mango juice,
Yeah.
Fruit juice. Yeah.
Smoothie.
Smoothie
Yeah.
and mango, strawberry, coconut, passion.
I want... ano ba? Ito sa mga smoothie. Ito mga juice.
Huwag
We have
mango, iba
me.
naman. Iba.
Strawberry juice?
Strawberry
Ay, wala. Smoothie pala. Watermelon. About 5 to 10 minutes, meron agad kaming food. Wala pang 10 minutes actually. Yan, we ordered watermelon juice, pho. Then yung order niya is grilled chicken, and we also have oysters. Yan. The total amount is around less than 1,000 pesos. So, yan. Yun yung birthday cake from boyfriend. To boyfriend. Yay!
Happy birthday
Lumipat kami sa loob kasi umuulan na sa labas.
Kaya yung second date. Then, lumipat kami.
Happy birthday to me!
That ends our day 3 in Vietnam.